In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to brighten skin in Affinity Photo. Begin by launching Affinity Photo and opening the image you want to enhance. Make sure the Layers panel is visible so you can keep your edit flexible and non-destructive. We're going to rely on an adjustment layer which lets you fine-tune the look at any time without permanently altering the original photo. At the top of the interface, click Pixel. This switches you into the Pixel persona, the workspace designed for tone and color corrections and retouching. Next, move your cursor to the Adjustments controls to create a new adjustment layer. You can find this as the half-filled circle icon in the Layers panel or in the toolbar labeled New Adjustment Layer. From that list, choose Brightness Contrast. An editing panel will open, and a new brightness contrast layer will appear in your Layers panel. Start by nudging the brightness slider to the right in small increments so skin lifts gradually and stays believable. Then refine with the contrast slider. Increasing contrast can add depth but may exaggerate shadows. Decreasing it can soften harsh transitions. Aim for a gentle lift that keeps highlights from blowing out and preserves skin texture and color detail. As you adjust, keep your eye on midtones. The cheeks, forehead, and chin should look luminous, not flat. If the image starts to look washed out, pull back brightness a touch or add a hint of contrast to restore definition. Because this is an adjustment layer, you can revisit these sliders at any time to adapt the look to different photos or lighting conditions. And that's all you need for a clean, natural brightening. Click Pixel, add a new adjustment layer, choose brightness/contrast, and make subtle moves. With a light touch, you'll reveal fresh, healthy-looking skin while keeping the photo realistic.